Well, greetings, advertising students. This is Mr.D, and this is week number 7 in our 8-week course in advertising here at Norco College. So we have this week and then a majority of next week, and then our class is over. So this week you're going to be working on 2 chapters. You're going to be looking at chapter 19 on consumer sales promotions, sampling, coupon, things like that. And then you're going to be looking at consumer sales promotions as well, premiums and other kinds of promotions in chapter 20. So this is where we are now. The last few weeks of this class, we're breaking down our course into the 4 P's of promotional mix. So advertising, personal selling, sales promotions. What was the other one? I'm drawing a blank on it. It's the one that public relations. So these are some of the areas of what we call the promotional mix. And so each chapter is dealing with one piece of that promotional mix. So these 2 chapters are dealing with the promotional sales promotions and different ways in which we do that in business today. And that's a key part of the advertising or marketing mix, or promotional mix. So that's what we're going to be looking at. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here. And again, we are in our 4th module starting today. And this will last until the end of class. And so you should have completed your mini advertising project number 3, which was asking you the questions and asking you to describe how to use social media to advertise. So you should have done some research on that. And I came up with a step-by-step process that I could follow to do advertising. And then as we move into this week, which is week number 7, actually that was the end of last week. So week number 7 now, we have a check-in assignment on the 2 chapters that you'll need to do, which is basically answering questions. I did give you the 2 PowerPoint slides or presentations. And then you have your quiz number 6, and then you're going to be starting your final group mini advertising plan. Now, this is a group project, so I did put you into groups. And I did do a Zoom session last week, and I believe I posted that already, on how to find your group, and I emailed that to everybody saying, here's the email. So make sure you check your emails and that you watch that video. I think it was like 15 minutes long on how to access your group and what the assignment was all about. But it is a group assignment, so you have to get a hold of your group ASAP. And so make sure you go into the assignment. You should be able to go into the assignment, I believe, and see your group. If you notice here, I see all the groups. So you should be able to see your group here as the only one because you're only in one group. If not, then you need to go over to the People tab to the left and then select Final Advertising Project at the top here. And if you select that, it gives you your group here. And then you just go all the way to the right with the 3 little dots there. If you select that, it'll say View or Visit Group Homepage. If you select that, then it brings you to a group homepage where you can now communicate with other people in your group by either sending them an announcement or starting a discussion. Either way, you can communicate in there, and that's where you will share files. It's extremely important that you connect with your group members right away. So don't hesitate. Please do it now. As soon as this video is over, go in and connect with them. If you don't connect with them by midweek, then you're on your own to do the project. And you might say, well, I want to do it on my own. That's great. It's just going to be a lot easier if you do it with other people because they're going to divide up the work. So all you need to do is connect inside of this page here and then divide up the work because it's pretty easily dividable. And then, everybody go to work, get your part done. Then maybe right before the class ends and before you turn in your assignment, have everybody share all that they've done, merge it together into a file, and then upload it. I think that's going to be a lot easier than you trying to do it yourself, but it's up to you. Ideally, we would do it as a group, so your group members will be reaching out. If you don't want to do it in a group and you're just set on not doing it as a group, then let them know right away so they're not waiting around for you to find out that you're not going to do it. So anyway, and you do that by coming into the announcements here into your group homepage and making an announcement or starting a discussion, and they'll see it. In fact, I think if you make an announcement, it'll email everybody in your group. So that's probably the fastest way to connect with everybody. Anyway, so that is the group assignment. So make sure you don't neglect that and get that done. Get started on that. You have 2 weeks to get that done, or a little bit less than 2 weeks. And then, of course, you have a quiz this week on the same chapters 19 and 20, based off of the readings and the the PowerPoints I have here. So that's your assignments. Check an assignment, quiz, and then start your group project with the other members of your group. And then next week, we'll be finishing up the course with a final check-in assignment, of course, your group project, and then your final exam will be due by the end of the week. So that's pretty much it for week number 7. I will be doing another video next week, just kind of a final video to let you know of any final instructions and let you know about grading and all that. So please tune in again next week. I'll be sending a video so you'll